The DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool is a cordless multi-tool designed for users who want the flexibility of variable speed control combined with a brushless motor. Its oscillating design makes it a practical option for a range of cutting, trimming, and detail-oriented tasks, where having a compact, versatile tool can be more convenient than relying on a larger power tool. One of the key features here is the brushless motor. For everyday tool use, a brushless design can be an important consideration because it is built around an efficient motor system rather than traditional brushed construction. Combined with the 20V Max XR platform, the tool is aimed at users who already prefer cordless equipment and want a multi-tool that fits into that ecosystem. Variable speed control is another useful feature because different materials and tasks can require different levels of control. Instead of being limited to one operating speed, the user can adjust the tool to suit the job, making it more practical for work that ranges from controlled detail tasks to applications where faster operation is preferred. The cordless design is especially useful for projects where freedom of movement matters. Without a power cord restricting the working area, the tool can be easier to maneuver around workspaces, making it a suitable choice for construction, renovation, maintenance, and general DIY applications. The oscillating format also makes this type of tool useful when access is limited and a more specialized cutting or trimming approach is needed. There are a few practical considerations, though. Because this is a cordless tool, battery and charging requirements are part of the overall ownership experience, and users should consider whether the required battery setup fits their existing DEWALT 20V Max system. The supplied information also does not specify battery capacity, included accessories, runtime, or exact cutting performance, so those details should not be assumed. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool stands out for its combination of cordless operation, variable speed control, and brushless motor technology. It is best suited to users looking for a versatile multi-tool within the DEWALT 20V Max platform, particularly for projects where maneuverability and adjustable operation are important.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.